What is up guys, Dana the side. In this video I'm going to show you how you can buy your Lenovo laptop on student discount or how you can find student discount on Lenovo laptops. So first simply head over to your browser and then in the search bar simply type in Lenovo laptops. After that here you will see the website of Lenovo laptops. Don't click on this, simply click on the student discount laptop. After clicking on student discount laptop here you will see all the desktop or laptops which are having student discounts. So you can just simply add to cart to any one of these laptops whichever you like, and after that when you add to cart simply go to your cart, and after going to your cart here on the right side you will see that you have simply added your laptop to your cart. And after adding this item to your cart, here in the cart section, scroll down a bit and then you will see your share ID. Simply click on verify a student, and after that, verify your email and ID, everything with your school and college as a student. Simply enter the name of your school, first name, last name, the date of the birth, and after that, you need to enter the student email address to verify your student status. After that, simply click on verify my student status, and then you will be eligible for the discount of Lenovo student laptops. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.